How to set photo softening to off, medium or high in camera on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First, from the home screen, launch the camera app. Then tap on the control button. Now tap on the settings icon. In camera settings, we then go down and tap on camera assistant. Next, scroll down. And in here, tap on photo softening. And from the list, select off, medium or high. And that's it. Now we tap on the back key and take a photo of your pictures. That's so that photo softening features should be applied to your picture now. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.